So I ripped my wetsuit recently. It's quite a bad rip along the knee area. Goes all the way. We're gonna try and repair it. So I got some supplies. We got the LLPT tape and we got the Neoprene Queen repair glue, as you can see here. And I have already stitched up the neoprene. I was considering going out with just this, but the repair kits arrived quite early, so we're gonna try and repair this. I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes. First of all, I tried applying the glue and using cardboard to spread it out across the seam. I later found a better way of doing this. It's further down in the video. So we're doing how you need to do it according to the instructions. You want to apply the glue to each side first, and then you glue the sides together. So what I'm doing, I'm bending it on the seam, applying the glue, and then we're gonna bend it backwards and apply the glue again. Well, so I did one sample area before, and now I'm doing the whole line. It's not the best angle, but you can see the glue is being applied nicely over there. Yeah, getting it in all the way into as deep as you can, and give it some time to cure, and go for another layer on top. This is a second layer, and now I have flattened the surface and applying it to glue the two sides together. Doing one more layer on top, just because why not? And we have a nice glued up stitches. Okay, and I did a quick blow up test. You blow in air into your suit while holding the sides airtight, and see where the air is coming out. I think I had a couple small holes, but I just moved on to gluing the inside. Yeah, and gluing it from the inside will cover that. And this is the new technique that I figured out. It's way quicker, and you just spread as much as you need straight from the tub. I'm doing just one layer on the inside. And we're measuring the LLPT tape. Just eyeball the amount required, and round off the sides, obviously, so it can adhere better. But this tape is very strong, and even without rounding the edges, I don't think it will ever get off. I'm doing all sides, and it fits. We're gonna move to the front of the suit, measure that as well, make sure it fits nicely. And now we're gluing it onto the suit. So how you do it, you need to place it in place, add the damn cloth so you do not burn the suit, and just put an iron on it for about 20 seconds. And what I noticed, that the damn cloth does actually make a big difference. it feels like it also helps the adhesive to moisturize and adhere better. We got a very, very nice bond there, and just making sure all the sides are covered. Just like that. And we're moving to the inside. Same thing. Make sure you have the patch on the correct area. Add the damp cloth and put the iron on, and 15 seconds later you have a nice patch. I have, as you can see on my suit, there's these round tape bits. I noticed some of them were loose or even missing, so I ended up adding a couple new ones. Bang, like that. And this is the final result. Looks very nice, very professional. You don't see any glue or any mess that left, and the bond is very strong. Looking nice across all the seams. And this is after the session, and it was quite a long session, maybe good 3-4 hours in the water. There was no water leaking in or nothing that would even suggest of it peeling off. It was very, very solid. Well, and that's that.